Hello, my name is Dr. Kirsty Moreton and I'm the Programme Director for the MA in Medical Ethics and Law here at Keele. This is a fantastic programme. It's one of the most long-running programmes of its kind in the UK, and we've been teaching this programme continuously for the last 34 years. So what's special about this programme, and why should you come to study with us here at Keele? Well, this programme is a programme which attracts a really diverse range of students. So we have students that are coming straight up from their undergraduate degrees right the way through to those nearing retirement at all ages and stages of their academic and professional lives. And they come from a diverse range of backgrounds. So we attract healthcare professionals, doctors, nurses, midwives, vets, dentists, also lawyers, those with a scientific background, those that have a philosophical or theological background, and sometimes those that work in healthcare management or in journalism. So anyone that has that experience and passion for these issues of healthcare ethics and law. And this programme will help to equip you to deal with those challenging questions that we face both in life and within the professional context. So you'll really get an in-depth understanding of questions of ethics and ethical challenges, and also how the law has responded to those and how it governs those areas. We have a fantastic teaching team, and that's made up of philosophers and also lawyers that have specialist backgrounds and research interests within this area of bioethics and medical law. The programme itself is also special because it's taught on an intensive basis. So there are 4 taught modules on this programme, and each of them are taught over just 3 days. So you can opt to study on a full-time basis, so that way you will complete 4 taught modules and the dissertation, all of which are needed to complete the master's qualification. You do that in 1 year. Or you can opt for part-time study, so the taught modules in year 1 and the dissertation in year 2. And this is particularly suitable for those that are working full-time and wish to combine study and work. And the third option is the modular basis. So you can study up to 5 years to complete the programme. In terms of the content that we cover, the first module is the foundational ethics module. So here we will go through in great depth all of the ethical and moral frameworks that you need, which will be great analytical tools for you going forward. Module 2 is the foundational law module, where we will cover the basic principles, negligence, consent, capacity, information provision, children's decision making, some basic mental health law. And then modules 3 and 4 are where you will really see the research specialism coming forward. They're very, very responsive modules, so they do change from time to time depending on the research interests of those that are teaching, and also really responding to what are hot topics, important areas in healthcare law and ethics. So module 3 is life, death and the human body. So we look at those challenging issues at the beginning and end of life, and also questions around the body. And then module 4 is healthcare, justice and society. So those bigger questions around resources, around conscience, the influence of religion, questions around the link between healthcare and the criminal law, and so on. Each module is assessed by way of a 5,000 word essay, and there's a huge scope for you to choose the kind of topic that you'd like to write on. And then for your dissertation, again, there's quite a lot of leeway for you to choose what you would like to research on, and you'll work very closely with a supervisor to do that. Our teaching style is really interactive, so we really benefit, and I think this is one of the unique things about this course, from the range of views and experiences of the student cohort, and it's a really rich and diverse learning experience. As mentioned on the website, ethics is not a spectator sport, so there's lots of debate, case studies, we will view films, report on articles that we've read. So it's very applied, even though it is of course an academic study, very applied and practical in terms of the way that we look at these issues. I'm really looking forward to seeing some of you on the course in September. If anybody has any questions and would like to discuss the course further, then please do get in contact with me via my email. Thank you for now. Take care. Goodbye.